Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to solve one of the Python interview question. So which was asked me in the interview. So the question was, so this was the dictionary given. So this is the nested dictionary. So the question was how I can access the value of C. You can observe here A, there is the outer dictionary. So inside one more dictionary is there, that is the B. Inside this B, there was one more dictionary called C. There are three dictionaries are there. So the question was how I can access the value of C dictionary. I am copying this and pasting here. Dictionary stores values in the form of key and value pair. So if you want to access any value which is stored in the dictionary, always we can access that value with the help of key. So here you can observe this dictionary storing values in the form of key and value pair. Key is what? C. Value is 100. I will show you one example. One dictionary I will take here. So my dictionary name is B print. If I want to access the value of this C key from the dictionary B, what I can do here? B, dictionary name is what? B here, I am taking B. So, which value I am accessing? Cth value. C is the key, right? So, how I can access? Square bracket, C, run it. So, here you can observe our value of C is 100. Now, let's solve this problem. Print, open and closing bracket. What is our dictionary name? A. Okay. If I want to access the value of C, we have to enter from A to B, B to C, then we can access the value of C. So how I can do here? A. Next, I hope you might be knowing about the dimensions, 2D dimension, 3-dimensional array. So use the dimensions to access the value. So I'm accessing A. I've entered here. Again, from here, I need to enter to B dictionary. So how I can access now? B. Now I have entered here. I have to enter to Cth dictionary. So I have to enter C here. Run it. So here you can observe, I'm commenting these two lines. Now we are able to access the value of C. I hope everyone understood about this. So thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe my channel.